Hello friends, it's Sejal and today let's make Melonade. I'm using 3 cups of watermelon, half cup sugar, half cup lemon and some mint leaves and slices for garnishing. I have blended watermelon and strained it to make this watermelon juice. I poured it in a big bowl and added lemon juice and sugar to it. And added 2 cups of water. Now stir it well so all sugar gets dissolved properly. Now I took some ice cubes in one glass and poured Melonade over it. For garnishing, I'm using 1 lemon slice and watermelon slice and 2 mint leaves. So that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you are planning for a family or friends get together and you want to make in a bigger quantity, you can just multiply the portion accordingly. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Take care friends. Bye bye.